Don't throw away your old toothbrushes just yet. They can be incredibly useful when it comes to cleaning your home. Welcome back to Anna Home. Have you ever wondered what to do with your old toothbrushes after you no longer use them to brush your teeth? Don't throw them away. With just a few simple steps, you can turn them into powerful assistants in the kitchen and many other small corners of the house. In today's video, I'm sharing some super useful tips, straight from my own experience, on how to put your old toothbrush to good use in smart and creative ways. Watch until the end before you throw away your next toothbrush. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Uses 1. Use a toothbrush to thread a needle. We all have toothbrushes. Some old toothbrushes can be kept for other purposes. After they wear out, you can actually reuse an old toothbrush to thread a needle. Place the thread on the surface of the toothbrush, then press the needle down on the thread. The bristles will firmly push the thread through the needle. You just need to gently pull the threaded end through, and you're done. Just like that, the needle is easily threaded, very convenient and simple. Uses 2. Now, I'll show you how to make a shoe cleaning brush using a plastic bottle and an old toothbrush. First, cut off the head of the toothbrush. Use hot glue to attach it to the cap of a small plastic bottle. Drill a few small holes in the center of the cap. This lets the cleaning solution seep out while scrubbing. Pour a mix of detergent and toothpaste into the bottle. Dilute it for easier flow. Close the cap, shake gently, and press the brush head against the shoe to release the solution. Scrub the white shoes with gentle pressure and wipe clean with a damp cloth. This tip helps you clean white shoes conveniently without getting your hands dirty. Economical and recyclable. Will you give it a try? Uses 3. Use a clean toothbrush. Then, take out your lighter. Keep it about 1 centimeter away from the tip of the toothbrush. Heat it up like this. It only takes about 10 seconds. When the brush is soft, use your hand to bend the brush head into a right angle. Hold it in place until it cools. Okay. So what can you use it for? We can use it to scrub glasses and jars. Tall jars with narrow mouths are difficult to scrub the inside. It is difficult to find an effective way to clean. Especially the bottom of the jar is very difficult to clean. Over time, accumulated dirt will affect your health. Therefore, when cleaning tall, small-mouthed jars, you can use a brush bent at an angle like this. It helps to easily clean hard-to-reach places. Very convenient and practical. No more worries about cleaning the bottom of the bottle. No need to buy a special brush. Save money. Where are you from? Leave a comment and let me know. Nice to meet you from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. I appreciate your support. Uses 4. You can also use a brush to clean the blender. When cleaning the blender, the blades and bottom are difficult to clean, especially the part under the blades. No matter how much water you wash it, it won't be clean. You can use a modified brush like this to clean it. Scrub around the sides of the blender, then scrub the blades and the bottom of the blender. Rinse it with warm water to clean it. You'll find it's very clean. Very useful, right? Uses 5. Burnt and grease stains on grills are difficult to remove. Recycle old brushes, follow me. Take 2 cleaned old brushes, place them together with the bristles facing inward. Tie the handles securely with a rubber band or string. Use this tool to scrub barbecue grills effectively. The old brushes retain firmness and flexibility, making cleaning easier. Uses 6. I used 2 old toothbrushes. Remove the bristles and keep the stiff handles. Tie them together tightly with a rubber band to create a sturdy grip. This tool helps you peel sunflower seeds quickly and cleanly. Uses 7. Cyclists know the grips on handlebars are hard to clean. This part is very difficult to clean due to its small size. Just scrub back and forth and the dust will come off. Old toothbrushes are really helpful in daily life, aren't they? Uses 8. Continue heating the brush as before. We bend the brush head into a right angle. Hold it still without moving it. Let it cool naturally so that the brush can fix its shape. Now it can be used to clean the toilet. Although we often use a special brush to clean the toilet, we often do not pay attention to the drain pipe inside. This is a place that is often overlooked when cleaning the toilet every day. Unfortunately, this forgotten place is the place where bacteria are most likely to grow. We can use an old toothbrush to clean the inside of the toilet. Helps to easily clean this area. Limits the growth of bacteria in the toilet. Finally, flush the water and it is clean. Uses 9. When cleaning, everyone must have encountered the problem: how to clean the rubber gasket of the refrigerator. This is really a headache because there are many small crevices and also accumulates a lot of dirt, making cleaning very troublesome. We can use a toothbrush, because the bristles are very small, can get into the narrow crevices and push the dirt out. Dip the brush in dishwashing liquid. Scrub around the refrigerator door gasket. Then, wipe it with a towel and it will be clean. You will see, it will be clean and shiny quickly. Next time you clean, you can also apply this method to clean the refrigerator gasket simply and effectively. This is a way to clean difficult places. Uses 10. First, use scissors to cut off the bristles at the tip of the brush. Just cut it at one corner. Keep the remaining bristles. Turn your old toothbrush into this. What is its use in the kitchen? After a period of use, the sink drain will become dirty. How to deal with it when it is full of stains? Use an old toothbrush to solve this problem. Recycled old toothbrushes are very useful in this case. We wash food and dishes every day. There are always a lot of stains on the drain pipe. Over time, a bad smell will arise. Especially in the summer, the smell will be worse, and small drain pipes are very difficult to clean. Now, we can use a brush with an angle to clean. Just put the old brush in. Scrub around the drain opening. Scrub the inside of the drain as well. The cut part of the brush fits snugly to reach the curves. There are places that are usually difficult to clean. Now, just a few strokes will clean them. You can see the stains in the drain being removed immediately. Then rinse with hot water. The stains on the surface and the pipe wall are all washed away. In this way, there is no more stains, and the bad smell also disappears. Very convenient and clean. Solve many annoying problems in the family. Uses 11. Computer keyboards are always covered with dust. When dust gets into the keyboard slots, it is very difficult to clean. Using a cloth to wipe it is not effective, and it also causes more dust to accumulate. Every time I clean my computer keyboard, I always feel like I lack the right tools. So you can use a toothbrush as a small broom to clean the dust on the keyboard. This will make cleaning the keyboard simple. Isn't that great? After cleaning, put the toothbrush aside. If you see dust again, just sweep it away. The keyboard will no longer be dirty. We will feel more secure and comfortable when using it. Uses 12. People who often use hairdryers will see a lot of dust in the fan. If dust accumulates for a long time, the small holes will be clogged and damage the hairdryer. You can use an old toothbrush to clean this part. Just rub it gently and the dust will be gone. Old toothbrushes are really useful in life, right? You can completely reuse your old toothbrush. Don't throw it away. It's a waste. It can solve many problems in life. Uses 13. You can also use this to clean the chain links on your bicycle. After cleaning, use the toothbrush to evenly apply oil to each link. This method helps you maintain your bike while reusing old brushes economically. uses 14. Combs are used every day. If not cleaned regularly, the comb will be covered with grease. Even if you wash it with clean water, you cannot remove the grease. The trick here is to clean your comb after each use. You can use an old toothbrush to clean it. First, soak the comb in clean water. Then pour a little shampoo or detergent on the brush. Then rub it back and forth on the comb. The grease stuck in the comb will be easily removed. We use combs every day, so remember to clean them regularly. Otherwise, the layer of grease on the comb teeth will be a breeding ground for microorganisms, causing many bacteria, affecting health, especially scalp diseases, making your hair worse. So don't forget to clean the comb regularly. If my video is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Goodbye, and see you again.